Welcome back to Nailed It! Today I have this beautiful set for you all, so stay tuned and I'll show you how to recreate it. First, I'm going to start with my Glitter Planet UK's number 8 synthetic gel brush. And then I'm going to go in with my Elegance Predator in pink. Look at this beautiful color. Oh my gosh. And I'm going to be applying this on my pinky and my pointer finger. And once I'm done applying that, I'm going to cure it in my light for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to go in with Light Elegance Main Attraction. It's this beautiful like plum purple color. It's, oh my gosh, you guys, it's so beautiful. And I'm going to be applying this on my middle finger. Once I'm done applying this, I'm going to give it a cure in my light for 30 seconds. And I just wanted to add in this set that I don't think that Main Attraction necessarily went with the glitter that I used, but I like the contrast between the two colors. So now I'm going to go in with my Light Elegance Jimmy Gel. I'm also going to go in with Glitter Planet UK's Summer Nights glitter. Look at this beautiful glitter, like, oh my gosh. And then I'm going to be applying this on my ring finger and my thumb. You guys don't see me apply it on my thumb, but I did apply it on there. And then once I get it how I like it, I'm going to give it a cure in my light for 60 seconds, just because it's glitter and I don't want any funny business happening. So after I get done applying this, how I like it, you guys will see me struggle a little bit. If you don't want to necessarily struggle as much, you can definitely go in with a base color and then apply the glitters, and then you'll get like a nice transition. But I really like the way that this looked without anything under it, because it kind of has that glass effect. So now I'm going to go back in with Main Attraction, and then I'm going to apply a second layer on my middle finger, as you guys can see here. So like, this is what I mean. So Main Attraction doesn't necessarily go with Summer Nights, that glitter, but I thought that the contrast between like Main Attraction, Predator in pink, and that glitter was like perfect. Like, oh, I'm just in love with the set. So now I'm going to go back in with Predator in pink, and I'm going to apply a second layer on my pinky and my pointer finger. Once I get done with that, I'm going to cure it in my light for 30 seconds. Actually, I don't think I cured my finger after I did Main Attraction. I think I went in with Predator and pink, and then I cured it all together. And now I'm going to go in with my Young Nails Micro Detailer brush and my Light Elegance Gold Metallic Buttercreams. Look at how beautiful this is. And I'm going to do some lines down my nails. I guess I could have used my stripey brush. I have a lot of striping brushes, but I'm just so used to the micro detailer brush, and plus I wasn't really too picky about my lines. I feel like they came out good for me just eyeballing it. But if you want to be like super particular about your lines and like to get it straight, or if you want them finer, then definitely use a striping brush, and then it'll give you that, you know, like one stroke point, fine point, you know, line on your nails. But I wasn't going for that look. But let me know how you guys are liking this set. My husband said like stripes doesn't go with circles, but it's a glitter. So if you're looking at the glitter and then you're looking at the nails in full, I really like it. Like, I know that circles doesn't really go with stripes, but I still love this set. And let's talk about this glitter. After you put the top coat on it, it just like, oh my gosh, it does something to my soul. Like, Summer Nights is so beautiful, you guys. And then magnified by the gel, it's just, oh my gosh, it's just so beautiful. And now these are my final results, you guys. You guys have to let me know down in the comments how you're liking this set. What did you guys do? If you have Predator in pink, I want to know you guys' set. I feel like this was the perfect set for like September time. Like, you're still summer because you still got that Predator in pink, you know, that pop of loud, and then you got main attraction to like bring it back down. Like, yeah, let's tone it down a little bit. And then the gold, I just love it, you guys. Like, I am in love with the set. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that post notification bell so you guys don't miss another upload from me. I would double check it because people haven't been getting my uploads. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.
Perfect.